Hi guys, welcome back to Love Cooking with Tuchva. If you are new here, please like, subscribe and do all of the right things in helping my channel grow. Today I'm going to be making mini pizzas using today pastry. And in this bowl I have some jalapeno sauce. If you don't have jalapeno sauce, guys, you can use mayonnaise. It's not a must that you use jalapeno, I'm just using it. And then I'm also going to add into this bowl some sweet chili sauce. Not too much, but just enough. You can judge. It is just to smear on the pastry. So I'm going to mix that together and I will be right back once I'm done with that. So that is basically what it looks like. I am opening up the pastry and rolling it out on the counter. So the pastry is on the counter now and I rolled it out with a rolling pin, but I didn't press it too flat. So now I'm going to cut it. If you want to use a ruler to measure your pastry, that's entirely up to you. I'm just cutting mine according to my finger spaces. Here we go. So what I'll do now is I'll take the sauce that I mixed, which is the jalapeno sauce and the sweet chili sauce. And I'm just going to put some of it in the middle of the pastry like that, in each one. And I will be right back once I've smeared it across the pastries and I'll show you what it looks like. So I have some Viennas that I cut up into little rings and I'm just going to place them inside the pastries, and I will be right back to show you what that looks like when I am done. So that is what it looks like now. So I have an onion that I cut up into slices and I'm just adding 1 or 2 slices on there. That, and I will be right back once I have all my onion on and I'll show you what the next step is. So guys, now I'm going to cut around the pastry, but not all the way through, just slightly so the outside of the pastry can rise. I'm not sure if you can see that clearly enough, but I'll move along to show you another example. Here we go. So just lightly trailing the knife alongside the pastry like that. You can do this before if you know how much cheese and Vienna and sauce you're going to use. Also, like I said, if you don't have jalapeno sauce, you can use mayonnaise and sweet chili, or you can just use tomato sauce. You can add on green pepper or whatever pepper you want to add on there. Rocket, however fancy you want to make it. I don't want to add too many things on here because the pastry, it's not like a pizza dough, it's a pastry. So you can't put too many stuff on top of it. There we go. So I'm just adding on some cheese. You can add cheese of your preferred taste. I'm adding cheddar cheese on mine. There we go. And then my husband beat an egg for me. So I'm going to egg wash the pastry on the corners that are on the outside of the little pizza squares. So I will do that right now. I'll show you what to do. Bear with me just a moment. Here we go. So I am going to take my brush and just lightly egg wash around on the corners. Guys, you don't have to put a lot of egg when it's just like a slight egg wash. And my oven is heating, it's preheating on 180 degrees. And I'm going to put this into the oven for about 15-20 minutes, and I will show you what that looks like when I am done. I thought I'd record this part right here. I'm not sure if you would like to add sesame seeds, toasted sesame seeds, or you can even add black seeds. I'm just adding some dried mixed herbs on top. And yeah, there we go. So I will show you what it looks like when it comes out the oven.